Howdy friends, welcome to All About Relay channel. In today's video, we will see how to use RTMS software ramping tools for doing any relay testing in simple way. RTMS has two ramping features. It's like a simple ramp and advanced ramp. Simple ramp can help you to test any overcurrent, over voltage, undercurrent, under voltage, frequency, uh, any phase angle relays, impedance relays, you can able to test with the simple RAM. Even some complicated functions like power swing or out of step, you can able to use test with using the simple RAM. At the same time, advanced RAM, it does allow you to test including differential. So it's a very powerful tools. Let's see how the tools looks like. To select the ramping tools in this home screen, select a new test, and you can see in the standard option the ramping. Uh, Run a simple ramp test or run advanced ramp test. Click on any one of this will launch the simple ramp test. Let's select the simple ramp. So it opens the RAM screen. This screen looks similar to the home screen, like the buttons on the top, home button, gear icon, setting icon, and view report option, report all, and binary input selection, test notes edition, run a predefined test. Very first time when you start the test in the RTMS, you don't see any test report or any test you generated. So to start, you need to manually generate the test. Let's start with simple ramp. Go to the simple ramp. So simple ramp screen have home button, setting button, view report option, report all button, binary input selection button, the play button, run a predefined test. This all we seen in the previous videos how what it is. The main RAM screen has the operating quantity which we are going to use or change or select for testing any relay. We have voltage amplitude, voltage phase, voltage frequency, voltage symmetrical, current amplitude, current phase, current frequency, current symmetrical. In this case, I pick voltage amplitude. So the ramp tool can be used for test any application. In this case, I want to play my ramp tool for doing this simple over voltage pickup test, all three phases. So the operating parameter V1, V2, V3 is selected. How to do the type of ramp screen you can select ramp operation. There are three ramp operations: step ramp, pulse ramp, and binary search. This one, like how to set the ramps. Here you can select how many number of ramps you want to do, one ramp or two ramp, and which ramp you are in by selecting 1, 2. And also the ramp is defined with simple, like start percentage, stop percentage, the increment value, increment time, how long it goes. It is in simple step ramp. You can see the stair step ramp or step ramp which equal to this picture. If the user want to apply the pre-fault value, then this is the screen pre-fault value. In this case, voltage is 69 voltage, 120-degree balance, and the 60 hertz frequency set by default. This is the pre-fault value. The pre-fault injection time you can set as example, in this case 2 seconds. What it means, the 69 voltage it inject for 2 seconds, then starting from 85% of your pickup value. In this case, I defined my pickup value 70 voltage. So after pre-fault, like 2 seconds, 69 voltage, then 85% of 70 voltage it starts, it run, and every 10 cycle it start varying the values. It will increment up to 120%. It is step ramp. In case if you choose the pulse ramp, it's the same parameter 85 to 120, but what we have seen is there is a one parameter called off time or dwell time. So the pulse time is 12 cycle, but the dwell time is like 10 cycles. Your pre-fall remains same, expected remains same, and the end value remains same, increment step remains same. You can also choose binary search. There is the difference between pulse RAM and binary search. The pulse RAM, it injects the value, then goes put to the pre-fall stage value, then again you add increment step and inject the next value for a pulse value, then off for dual time. The binary search is something, it is not defined here. Means the way we understand, the start is 85%, end is 120%. It apply for 12 cycle, then off for a 10 cycle. What it means, it will apply value in the operating zone. Example, the power voltage is 70 voltage. It may apply 75 voltage. Then it go back to the lesser value than 70 voltage. Then it try to squeeze between the points, operating, no operating, operating, no operating, and will find the closest operating value. For this testing, I will pick the simple ramp. For this test, I select the simple ramp, perform like 85% to 120% start stop value, 1 voltage, 10 cycle, 2 seconds, pre-fall value. I press play. You can see pre-fall inject here, then it's decreasing or increasing. So I give the simulate value. Once the test is operated, it shows what is the ending RAM value. Then I add to report my allowed percentage error. It shows here 10%, expected value 70 voltage. The ramp is 1. I want to name ramp 1 as a pickup test. So expected value 70 voltage, allowed percentage error 10%. Based on the percentage error, it automatically calculates min and max values. The pickup value 76 voltage, deviation is over 8%, then test fail. So I want to rename the test name also, 4 voltage pickup test. So in this case, I want to rerun because it failed. So I want to get some pause results. Either press play here or press play here. Earlier page it worked, but I want to see how RAM screen works. Go to the RAM screen, press play. So you can see after pre-fall it start running. So maybe at 70 I stop. The test now stopped at 71 voltage. I'm simulating now. Assume this is operated with a real relay operation. So here the deviation in this time it's 1.43. Then you can see the operating quantity. It's compare min max value. In this case, operating quantity is voltage. So then relay stop the testing and it pauses. Then go to the home screen and you can see here the report also it pauses, right? Min value. Let's go to the home screen and see how the test report looks like, or all the test looks like. Here we added RAM test. We may able to and rename it like earlier we did, 4 voltage pickup test. So this ramp also I can add as a pickup test. Now go back to the home screen and go to the view report. This is the master report for entire test. So pickup test or voltage pickup test, it's got updated. And also in this case, when in the simulated mode, it say pause simulated. Then go back to the home screen. Now I want to save the results. Now I can save this somewhere, some location we can save. Maybe in the downloads. Or voltage pickup test. So now the test saved, and now every time you open this PowerDB file, the test open with the saved data. Let's go back to the test screen. So we have seen in this video like selecting the operating quantity, operating parameters, type of RAMs, and set the RAMs, and also like set the RAMs for multiple reasons, like start, stop, and other values. Also, we can add, we can convert, this is the pickup test, right? We can able to convert this to pickup to dropout test. So to add dropout test, I need to add the dropout stage or state, RAM state. In this case, only one state is there. So what I do, I go to the number 2 yeah, means I add the set number of ramps and select the two ramps and select the second ramp and change to the voltage amplitude, select all three phases and same step ramp. Now we have to select the expected. Say example, my pickup is 70 voltage, maybe my dropout is 69 voltage. And dropout means I have to do the, or I have to perform like step down value from pickup to drop down, like maybe 70 to 69 it has to come. So what I do, I have to do select the start instead of like using the direct percentage 85 to 120. Say it may be defined this way, 120 to 85 percentage. Okay, this is the one way to do step ramping. There is another feature in the tool here. When you select start is a value, what it does means whatever the value you enter here, that value it considered in the percentage. Or start is a percentage last value. What it does mean, last value in this case, it's a last ramp value. In our test, last ramp value was 71 voltage example. So the 71 voltage, it is considered times 120 percentage. So that means like 120 times 71, it will start the values. And I want to reduce like 105 percentage of the last value. Then I want to go to 98 percentage because we know it dropouts operate very quickly or very close value to your pickup value of expected 69 voltage. So you also can select the start as the last value. That means directly pick like what is the last value. In this case, the previous RAM was 71 voltage, but I want to select the start as the last percentage value, and it's I want to have that 105 percentage of those value, and I want to keep like ramp value step is 100 millivoltage instead of 10 millivoltage. So now we are ready. If you see the ramp 1, ramp 2, now if I go to view report, you can see only one ramp is there, not second ramp is there. So I go back to the test screen and press go to the test screen and press play and run, but I won't run from here. Now it will start running the pickup test again. So 69 it operated this time. I want to decrease, I want to do like 69 is pickup, maybe 68.5 is your dropout value for this relay assumption. So now you get like what is the expected value of both side, both ramps, 70 voltage and 69 voltage. Pickup is 69 and dropout in this case is 68.7. I name this ramp as a dropout. And you can see here allowed percentage I want to narrow down to 5%. In some of the relays, most of the relays, it's around 3% than modern numerical relays. So you can see the deviation here, and so I save the test results. And some user only want to see what are the actual values, not the table. So you right click here, press edit script, no details in the report, click select the no details in the report, then it will start. Like you need to do small reference. So you pick any operation, then it automatically update. Save the file. The same report will be appear in the report screen also. How we go to the report screen? Click home screen. In the home screen, we have the view report option. Now you can see the report changed compared to earlier. Now I go back to the home screen and click on the magic button or predefined test. You can see the overall voltage pickup test is available. So this is the one simple application I used in the ramp tool to test the over voltage pickup value. This is a very powerful tool. We can do multiple things, and I can go on the RAM tool, but I limit to the RAM tool. The application is same, so you can use it for any functionality testing. In the next video, we will see how to use the advanced RAM tool for testing any functionality. Maybe some other function we can consider and run the test and see how it looks like. Thanks for watching.